over the years, there's been a lot of debate on whether a steel rope or a synthetic rope is better for your winch. And I'm glad METOWARE sent me this because I wanted to talk about some differences that you get. So, old steel cable, the first thing is going to be it is super heavy. It also, because it's so bulky, it tangles really easy and it's a lot harder to get untangled when you're actually using your winch. This is it's going to be lighter weight, it has a really high tensile strength, and because it isn't so rigid, it will actually give you just a little bit of elasticity when you're pulling, which can help get you out of a tight situation a little bit better than the steel, which is just rigid, because sometimes you need a little bump, kind of how Yankum ropes work. But METOWARE, they send you this with the steel or the stainless steel attachment on the end for your forged hook, which comes with its attachment and its cotter pin, and they also give you your stop so that you don't go all the way in. So if you are looking for an upgrade over a steel cable, or if you're looking for a great deal on a synthetic cable, then this one from METOWARE is a great way to go.